Yeah,
My name is Triple.
the ship we are the breast them look stiffish. I did it on them like a
Jerry, no
man.
bother with it. Please, me, I beg
Yeah,
you.
me will suck your breast. For
Jerry, later. I'll catch you later when you're not drinking or when I am drinking.
for you, God. Pussy. Look, one big pussy. The whole out now give me argument. And you can't come fuck me. My feel fuck is me need pussy. When I'm going to take joke with virus, I don't know why I'm fuck virus or birth control.
When God says come as you are, this in me.
Man must not take care of woman.
What a sensible boy you talk to me. Me like how you look, listen and learn, you know.
That's cool, no, man.
And gravitate, you know.
Yeah, because...
That means when war start, if
Yeah.
they find you, then dead, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pay for you, see the way God give you, me, you know. I want more to you, give me.
Turn on.
You're
Then
not
you
easy,
see me
man.
one.
Yeah.
Keep me things, you know.
Yes, yeah, keep my things to me, brother.
Ready for me things,
A
now,
peanut
me
dread
not
love with
trouble,
the fat, you know.
Yeah?
That's cool, no, man.
Yeah? I mean, I fuck nobody, I fuck no animal.
Yeah, man.
I'll give you my bumbo class pussy to keep for me.
Yeah.
So I'm ready for?
Turn on.
Yeah, have to
Don't,
send it
don't
time.
give me no trouble, you know.
No, not
I
that.
run you down well deal with my machete if I know all your blood clot. Hold on, gun now you know too.
Boy! Fuck that deal.
I'm ready for blood clot broken out.
You think I'm joking? Yeah, man.
And spur my boy up and I would do to kill you. Where are you, woman? You know, she, cause she and cause
Yeah.
so and sometimes we part are different, you know, cause me I say him and that time I know him, you know, I see.
Yeah.
You know what we are do sit down one radio car crowd down. And when the radio car so we are trying to lady, we say I walk, say come here, you go for down. And the man me jump in my chair and the man say, you want to with me? So same time I go bush me now. We go make nice. Same time the wife go and say, me honey, where you there? Me da 40. I boogie, yeah, same day party, I boogie down. That time I boogie for me like a heavy, me go donkey sitting.
But you're lucky, the good man have you, the good man get
Yes,
started.
hold on. And when the man a boogie me down, I mean don't make that and the man say, when, yes, you say when them done, me come out, they couldn't move. Then the one next one we having house coming from field bed to again too. Say, what you wanna do there next? Me tell you me house. And the guy, the next guy said, my house say, when he put me to the bed, gonna cook. One board one in a kind pot, and me try. And when my ready bed goes a whoop, and drop a gun me and him.
Young dolly them, and you have the what?
Grandma,
The grandma what?
Dolly,
Tell them.
grandma, Dolly, son the grandma.
So you have the young dolly them, that is TC Rebel pretty, and you have the granny what?
Granny Dolly.
The granny dolly. Show the spin a roll for them granny dolly. The young girl in the more than granny dolly. Granny dolly are in the place now. The young girl them no more than the granny dolly them. I hear that. And tell them how much mama.
That's 70 years.
She has 70 and look there. Mama have the shape, mama have everything. Come to them young girl, them don't look good. Look at that. Any restaurant you got, and your brother meal done, a pork done, them everything. And if you should ask every woman if they ever get them business eat yet, they say yes.
So what it is?
I don't want to know. The said man them who say them no eat it, and them I eat it.
Somebody eat it.
Alright? And the two most eatingest meat in the world body is pork and they say they don't eat. And they don't eat pork. And they don't eat pork. And pork done. Every restaurant pork done before all meat. And then, and if you should run a survey for the woman them if they ever get them business to eat yet. They say yes. But I'm a dapper front up.
Oh my God.
And man said they don't eat and they don't eat pork. Someone know when you say why eat pork.
Anyone like that?
Anyone like that say that?
But if on the live, me
You're busy about the
I
live.
don't want to come close yet.
Take off your baggy.
Jerry.
Scrape up the pussy. Step up with me, Eddie.
I'm alive.
I don't care.
It's me talk to somebody.
Yeah, talk to them. Go and talk to them. I get
Go
myself. Get yourself in readiness to fuck.
We are interrupt.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Scrape up the pussy.
Jerry.
Our baggy coming off. We're going to fuck.
Jerry.
Well, Jerry, I hope all of them that sin they are commit. I hope you beg for forgiveness, because we know why you go down head with you.
Because I'm not deal with God, you know. I deal with ISIS, you know. I'm not a Christian thing, I do not know God thing. ISIS. The university school and the name ISIS. The Almighty. So they better go buy a King James verse and go start studying. In the name of God. In the name ISIS. The Almighty. No name, no God.
So, in our no clothes, you know?
Yeah, my van close.
Oh, true, I say, I take off in clothes.
No, don't.
Now take off your baggy.
Babe, just relax now, baby. I don't have time for that yet.
Oh, you're ready for fuck, yeah. That's them a fuck.
So, I'm then I'm a man house lie down and I relax, you know?
I find cat now go out.
He wants to do it.
No, I can't see
Be good. I wrap up and pop and make never melt it out. When since I saw it,
Yeah.
when since I saw it, you said you got to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will up on me on them for look at my sexy hand. Look at my pussy, yeah, will up on my pussy finger. Look at me on them, man. I show them pussy finger, the pussy finger, yeah.
Jesus, that will give you
The pussy, hey, one of Satan and one of Jesus. Look at them. Them two fingers, if you see them perform at night and you pray, you know, bumbo clad. Them two fingers, yeah. Pussy finger. You never see them. A pussy finger them. Your mild finger. It's a mild finger, yeah. A Satan.
Outside black up and rain and a fall.
Yeah, far, yeah.
And me da go up the road, I'm saying, no, I'm go up the road.
No, go to the road, stay with man.
In some for stay with man.
Because girl, look, they are sodomite.
No.
They go stay with girl from. Stay with man, that man feel you. I'll tell you something. Some girl they get feel up from their man, you know. Hey, girl get feel up.
So me I get feel.
Feel up, yeah. The pussy. Some girl don't even know what feel up feel. You know what them about do? They might make some baby and some electric home.
Alright, but bro. Tell them, no, man. Tell them say you're good, man.
Yeah, I'm good. If me not good, I'm on some ackee and saltfish with Irish and yellow yam and banana and 2 caramel dumpling. You see me? I must that. I'm a cup of coffee. When me not drink for a morning, kind of girl that day after, you see me? I'm in a love put me on the food. You see me, dad? Unless me I prepare for a girl. So I know when I pour up my heart and I cook it and it turn out to something, somebody gonna be finger licking and enjoying and appreciating, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
fully.
You know, bank is kicking.
Cut. Cut.
Cut.
Your blood clot and winner, man. Move your blood clot and winner, man. Your bumbo clot and me, you know. Your pussy, move your blood clot and go. Your blood clot and go. Your blood clot and go.
You're dead in the night, you know, pussy.
Go suck, come on out by me, someone. Go suck, come on out by me.
What you do? How are the blood clots? What you do so? Hey, come back here, bleaching joke. How you do so? You bleach?
Me no bleach, brother, me no bleach.
The man you bleach?
Brother, me no, me just beard and me cream. Brother, me no bleach.
So you want to tell me you not bleach? Why you have too much color on your body? Brother, me stay in the AC, brother. Me no go outside, brother.
In your yard?
Yeah, brother, me turn on AC.
Alright, the man. You say you not bleach?
Me no bleed, brother. Me no walk in the sun,
Look your
brother.
legs so bumbo clean. Look at your leg. Jesus Christ. Alright. You say you not bleach?
Brother, me no bleach, you know.
You do too much now, you know. You do too much. You do blood clot too much.
Brother, me...
You not bleach, right?
Brother, me no bleach, you know.
Alright. Me I go post it with you.
Please don't post it, brother.
Me I go post it.
Please, brother.
Alright.
How you cut the teeth,
I
them,
dare me. Pussy.
What kind of pussy?
You want to taste like fish.
Tell me first time you suck pussy and taste.
Yo, my youth, me ain't used to suck pussy, you know. Me and the wrong girl, my baby mother, or
Cut
my
the story
wife.
short, quick.
Indian opal. 6 months you suck it cocky. And I said, Flex, you have to suck some of my pussy. And I said, no, I don't deal with that. And one night, me going drunk, I receive the skin out the pretty pussy, because she be half, you know, get it ready in the eating condition, you know. Yo, you see what make it first wife? Me say, opal, me stomach and sick. He do so. He have me head back and say, Flex, just keep on licking. You so get the flavor. The pussy class. He butter vanilla. He butter vanilla. He butter vanilla.
Where's the charger?
He butter vanilla. He butter cinnamon. He lost all the flavor there.
Money find out what I do nothing more.
No man, fix up your house, me like
No,
it.
me not fix up nothing more cat me cat.
Me like the house, man, me love it.
A cat me cat the same as everything on than normal.
Me I come look for you one day here.
Me say everything at normal.
Me can't come look for you one day.
No.
Look at
No man, I understand. It's okay. Me understand the running.
So, and now do a fucking thing, spend no money for and do nothing. Sit every fucking thing.
That's really talk about
Yeah,
things, man. Because if you come off like getting chuck now, you know.
Me I come help you do some work up there.
Well, me nah do nothing. Nothing. Different work me I go, me nah do nothing.
Let's relax, uncle, man.
What you gonna do today, uncle?
Me nah go up, man. Me have to go after I go up in the weather. What me gone? Me nah do nothing.
Uncle, I did not talk.
Okay, now? You know, fuck no pussy, yo. We can go fuck some pussy.
Yeah, man. Me a go up later. You not money, I'm a laugh that, man.
I didn't push it out, man.
What you say? What you say you want to do? You want to have hold on. What you say you want to do? Have a husband and a boyfriend? You alright with that, Sean?
Why?
Remember, say he's a pastor, you know?
Yeah. Cause she said to me, say, if you carry baby mother come here, me can't have she. So that's why she's
no, but Karen said she want a husband and a boyfriend.
Keep on the phone.
Black.
So why I'm telling you, say, if we, with the baby mother, but I want when she over there, the boy there. But ain't no access with him. You know what that means?
Yeah.
So I'm not like that.
Okay. I
so
understand that.
Okay. If you move him out of your way. Moving forward.
Oh, me see it go.
Yeah.
So,
please.
But Karen, you can't have a husband and a boyfriend because Karen, Shanti is a pastor man and that is against God's will.
No man.
You still work with it?
Still work with it.
So
like come in and have. Like come in and have a baby mother. Me have Karen as my baby.
This white man not a call my phone.
Yeah, not a call Karen.
So you plan to move him in the house where you there? So you are with that, Sean?
Yes.
Okay.
And
well,
like
one part is
don't carry sex on him.
No.
Oh, no carry come around.
Right. And the baby mother now.
So like you are going to control the baby mother and Sean will control the white man?
Yeah, and Karen he keep on call me.
Call him
if the baby mother give me no problem also.
Well, you know said to me. You know sure no want to do that, Karen?
I want to do that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sean. Me go seaside now.
But remember, so no legal, they married, you know?
Yeah, it's man.
It no matter about the legal.
Oh, it no matter. Okay.
She got have me as a husband and have a boy.
Yeah.
Oh, so are the white man the boyfriend?
Yes.
And you are the husband?
Yeah.
Okay. I understand where I go on.
So.
But I don't want this spread that.
Okay, it's a secret.
Yeah.
Okay.
People love to criticize and judge people. Talk about your craving. You want to talk about me too craving.
Where you have this
lime?
No, the water. You say cover it.
Me that drink it.
She that drink it.
That's not said like cover it.
Wait, we can make it now.
Me, I saw me like when I'm not happy, man. I'm not happy, and me like.
Start the meat.
Yeah.
If I cut off a fight.
No, you want.
Because she said because of the.
Me ask if she want gizzard or the liver.
And
or
the
chicken.
ask her some.
She don't want no chicken.
No, man, no
well,
chicken.
Me ask her if. But I got a friend go do my surgery because of the surgery, because of the fibroids. And it's painful.
Yes. Yes.
Especially when Sean having sex with me.
Pain up. Oh.
So right now my own.
So then you know then what happened to where you go pan? That's why if you tap at the people them on the road because that's not carrying. At them not take time with you, and that's why. I say if you don't stick to Sean, Sean, I beg you, go work, Sean. Go work, Sean. Because if you work, Karen, I have to go on the road. I preach it every day. The same old story I preach every day.
Man.
I'm owe 14,000. No. So I'm going to carry this and there.
What's the 14,000 for Karen?
14,000 I owe.
What is that? For the
visa.
Oh, for the visa thing that you say you want. Okay. Oh, me never remember. Did I take a picture of the number? I said I was going to call the place. So, but they're going to need an address.
The address
you have
the
it?
place, yeah.
Okay. And I was going to say something else.
When you go up there now, it's a piece of paper which you get, correct? Just show them the address where you
Yeah, ma'am, I can show them.
Yeah, but remember, Karen, you cannot tell them that you're going to work. They will not give you the visa.
Right. Don't tell them say you have
tell them say if you ever want to tell them say you have your own visa. Well, tell them say it's a businesswoman. And your businesswoman mean you sell chemical and then something there. Probably have to tell them. You are ear stylist. You understand? Yeah, tell them here.
They write it down on the book.
Say a ear you do, yeah. So they say it's an ear stylist.
Only thing I tell them say, I'm a sister I'm going to look for. Sister?
Big up your sister.
And
Big up Jem.
Big up Jem.
Jem? How you doing? Sorry. How you doing? Answer your phone when your sister will call you.
No man, sometimes she busy. Like she
busy,
work.
Me tell her.
She busy.
So,
busy, she busy.
By the way, I'm going to tell you, say, I kind of love you, but don't do disrespect.
No disrespect. And the evening, Jim. Love your Jim.
Mr. Holness, the school bus come and they no take it. But, me forgot to suck up my mother, sir. And the school bus come and they no take it, sir. The police station over there, so you can't send us some police out there so come warm them up. Say if some police go scoot him up, I want tractor, but me must go suck up my mother.